If you're seeing Steam error code 211, that usually means the game failed to authenticate your session through Steam. In simple terms, Steam and the game are having trouble verifying that your login session is valid. The good news is that this is often caused by a temporary issue, and in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best steps to fix Steam error code 211, starting with the easiest solution first. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep making helpful guides for you. First, restart Steam completely. Close the Steam app, make sure it is fully shut down, and then reopen it. Sometimes the authentication session just needs to be refreshed, and a simple restart is enough to clear the issue. If you're not sure whether Steam fully closed, check the system tray as well, because Steam can keep running in the background. If restarting Steam does not fix the error, the next step is to verify your game files. This is one of the most reliable fixes because corrupted or missing files can stop the game from authenticating properly. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is giving you the error, then right-click it and select Properties. Inside the Properties menu, click on Installed Files and then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace any damaged or missing files. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before launching the game again. Once that is done, try starting the game again and see if the error is gone. If you still get Steam error code 211, there's one more very important thing to check: Steam maintenance. This error often appears during Tuesday Steam maintenance, when Steam servers may be temporarily unavailable or partially offline. If that is the case, the problem is not on your computer at all. It is simply a server-side issue, and the best fix is to wait until maintenance is over. To check this, look up the Steam server status and see whether Steam is reporting any outages or maintenance events. If the servers are down, give it some time and try again later. In many cases, once Steam is back online, the game will authenticate normally and the error will disappear on its own. So to recap, if you get Steam error code 211, first restart Steam, then verify your game files, and finally check whether Steam is in maintenance or having server problems. These 3 steps solve the issue for most players without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Steam and gaming troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.